Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the battery in your wireless video doorbell. Locate your doorbell by your door or entry. Before you begin, you'll need a standard micro USB cord and transformer. If you no longer have the one provided at install, let us know and we can get you a new one. Locate the tab on the bottom of the doorbell bracket. Slide the lock to the unlock position. Then, press the tab in towards the wall to release, and gently slide the doorbell up to remove it from the base. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips. Once removed, you'll slide the rechargeable battery pack down and out of the doorbell device. Notice the orientation and the weather seal making a snug fit. Now, take your battery pack and plug it into the micro USB connector. A fully depleted battery takes approximately 7 hours to charge. Plug the USB end of the cable into a USB wall charger and insert the charger into an outlet. The charging LED located on the top of the battery pack will be solid orange while the device is charging. The charging LED will turn solid green when charging has completed. Replace the battery when charged. Align the doorbell with the wall bracket and slide back into place. Toggle the lock on the bottom back to the locked position. Allow the doorbell to reboot, then press the call button to test the device. The low battery notification should clear automatically in your Alarm.com app. And that's it. Your doorbell is now operating with a freshly charged battery that should last for several months. Thanks for watching.